Hi, this is our home balcony aviary. We have converted the entire balcony into a small mini zoo kind. We have around 30 budgies. These budgies, actually we have initially just 6 packs. Now we have around 25 plus budgies are there. They are very quite happy and flying around. We don't have any cage, but I keep cage only for when there is in a breeding stage, because other budgies will go and damage all the eggs. That is one of the problem. So we separate those kind of budgies and keep them in the cage. See, the second season, now I removed all the nest boxes to stop breeding mode, but now this March, the second session, I found somebody has laid egg on the floor. It is not quite a good situation, because these eggs will be damaged by the other birds. So we need to keep some nest box as early as possible. Otherwise they will lay eggs on the floor, on the cage base, everywhere, and it will be a mess. So better we will start keeping the nest box, so they can avoid this kind of situation. For preparing the nest box, very simple. I use the clay pot, especially easy to keep, and they are very good for their stay and stuff, and it is not a space consuming kind of stuff. You can keep it inside the cage. So usually this pot comes with one small lid. Usually they like to sit in the dark place, so if you don't have much sunlight, it is very good for them. And so what we can do is, we can place the lid with the help of this kind of making holes on the pot, and we can use the zip tack to fix them. Now I will prepare 3 nest pots. I will keep them one by one in the cage. Today I found one egg inside one pot. Now the question is, who laid this egg? I have no idea. Look at all these guys are sitting quiet, so innocent, and I have no idea who laid this egg. Anybody can tell me who laid the egg? Hello? Okay, no worry, let's wait and watch which pair comes to take care of this egg.